Yo, hit me a cop. Hit me a cop.
Yo.
You don't know what I say. I'm going to go to car up and even know who up there.
Eh? So you not see how when I...
No, you know, brother.
You think?
Yeah, man, dark too. Brother, how you have? What man, how you forgot this and you don't even know who in I?
Then if I didn't somebody will come for earth too. You think they would have park up outside and all that blow their hand?
Oh, you mean? Some man brawling to you not charge it. I say, I'm going to really sitting.
Something for them. Stand up and wait till you go rise something and come back and go out there. It is. Oh, this. The man himself, Mr. Wallace.
Need same one, man. You good?
Yeah, man.
Brother, yo. Can't do that in a contractor. You see the place around the place hot. Even the sun hot.
Can't do what?
In a tint up vehicle and just come park up so bad, man.
Oh, sorry, boss. My apologies because they try remember which house was it this one.
Oh, but you have to wiser than that, brother. I pray me did I pray for you to lift up something in a charge it.
Vicious. Remember say at 2 o'clock the people them want the necklace them, yeah?
It make a what that bad, man.
What?
Yo, forward the brother. Forward. It make a what kind of thing that? Come on talk about necklace. Yo, brother, remember say necklace and gangster no much in the charge it. Can't do that, my brother, man.
Alright, Vicious. You can go finish up a craft work for the people them. That sound better?
Yeah, man. You can't lay it down bad man thing, brother.
Alright. My apologies, Mr. Vicious.
Boy, your youth head still at him, man.
Boy, we still a try with him, you know.
Try. If you not change already, you think he might not change again?
Well, every man can change, you know. From them put their mind to it.
Well, that's true. So what going with you with this?
Boy, I want to tell you something. Day upon a new journey, you know.
Journey? What kind of journey?
Boy, I some craft me there juggling, you know.
Really? Oh, like what?
Chain, bracelet, anklet, all of them things there. Some of them custom I see them way too, you know.
For real? So, hold on there. In a real life, you have them talent there? And
Yeah.
things where you make?
Yes, I am.
I never know that's you're talented.
Long time. You can come take a look on the things them around there too, you know.
Yeah, man, definitely.
It maker. Yeah, man. So you know, so I just watch off the thing then to make sure so they see it, my friend. Yo, you think one day, but you know.
You know, easy, you know, you.
So wait. I apprentice this. Vicious done jewelry maker.
Yo, you see what me I talk about it maker.
Youth. This is nothing for your shame about, you know. It will keep you out of trouble. So hitmaker. Are you making all this?
Yeah, man.
Oh man. I'm seriously impressed, Virgin. So, all them boat here too?
Everything where I look on.
That will support your thing, brother.
Yeah, man. Respect, brother.
Yo, it maker. Jump off them thing.
Yeah. Remember if you link Mr. Flemington at the store, I asked him if that piece of food already.
Brother, what you have tell me say? Food dead already yet? Want me give him a different page for you?
No, Vicious.